have built multiple SaaS products for myself and for my clients, and some of them have a great features, great UI, but they got almost no users. And the reasons why probably will kill your SaaS too. Make sure you stick around till the end, where I share 3 actionable fixes that you can implement in your SaaS today. Hi, I am Shayan and I build SaaS MVPs for the first time founders and help them to get their first users. Most founders think problem is the product, but it's not. So the first reason why most SaaS fail is no distribution. Most founders are developers, so they know how to build the product, but they don't know how to distribute their product. And grow a product that is great, but if nobody knows that it exists. The second reason why most SaaS fail is no ICP. What does the ICP stand for? Is ideal customer profile. They try to target everyone, and this means that it resonates no one. The third reason why most SaaS fail is offer. Cool product doesn't mean that someone needs it right now. So you have to find painkiller, not just creating the vitamin. The fourth reason, but not the least, is no urgency. No reason to buy the product right now. Fifth and the last reason why most SaaS fail is build before validating. This means that they just guessed the idea, not tested it or validated it. And here's the part most people miss. Fixing this doesn't require more features. As promised, here are 3 actionable fixes that you can implement today in your SaaS or before building a new SaaS product according to your idea. First, what you have to do is to talk to 10 potential users. The second step is create a simple offer and refine that offer using the 10 discovery calls that you did with your potential users. And the third and the last is start distribution before building the product. If you want to know how I built a SaaS product in just 24 hours using an AI, you can check out this video and I will see you there.